If you are looking for the best self-watering planter box to grow healthy plants with less daily maintenance, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best self-watering planter boxes available today. These planters are selected based on water efficiency, build quality, plant health support, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Keter Urban Bloomer 12.7 gallon raised garden bed and outdoor herb garden planter with self-watering gauge and drainage plug, dark gray. The Keter Urban Bloomer raised garden bed is designed for gardeners who want a compact yet efficient solution for growing herbs, vegetables, and flowers. With a 12.7 gallon soil capacity, this planter offers enough space to support healthy root growth while maintaining a manageable size for patios, balconies, and small outdoor spaces. The elevated design helps reduce strain on the back and knees, making planting and maintenance more comfortable. Its modern dark gray finish blends well with contemporary outdoor decor while resisting weather damage. The durable resin construction is designed to withstand sun exposure and moisture without cracking or fading. One of the key features is the built-in self-watering system. The integrated water gauge allows users to monitor water levels easily, helping plants receive consistent hydration without overwatering. This feature is especially useful for beginners or busy gardeners who want reliable results with minimal effort. The drainage plug provides flexibility for both indoor and outdoor use. When placed outdoors, excess water can drain freely, while indoor users can control moisture levels more precisely. This promotes healthier roots and prevents water buildup. The planter includes a convenient shelf beneath the growing area, offering storage space for gardening tools, soil bags, or accessories. This added functionality helps keep gardening areas organized and efficient. Number 2. Rolling Metal Citrus Tree Planter, self-watering round large pot for growing trees, tomatoes, vegetables, and flowers, raised garden bed with wheels for porch, patio, and backyard, single pack olive green. The Rolling Metal Citrus Tree Planter is designed for growing larger plants such as citrus trees, tomatoes, vegetables, and flowering plants. Its round, raised structure provides ample space for root development while keeping plants elevated for better airflow and drainage. Constructed from durable metal, this planter offers long-term stability and resistance to outdoor conditions. The olive green finish adds a natural aesthetic that complements patios, porches, and backyard spaces. A built-in self-watering system helps maintain consistent moisture levels, reducing the risk of underwatering or overwatering. This feature supports healthy plant growth and minimizes daily maintenance. The rolling wheel design allows easy mobility. Users can reposition the planter to follow sunlight, protect plants from harsh weather, or rearrange outdoor spaces without heavy lifting. Locking wheels help keep the planter securely in place when needed. The raised height improves accessibility, making planting, pruning, and harvesting more comfortable. This design also helps deter pests and improves drainage efficiency. The large pot capacity makes this planter suitable for long-term growth of trees and deep-rooted plants. It supports soil aeration and moisture retention for healthier root systems. This rolling raised planter is ideal for gardeners who want flexibility, durability, and ease of movement while growing larger plants in outdoor environments. Number 3. Best Choice Products 48 by 24 by 30 inches raised garden bed, elevated wood planter box stand for backyard, patio, balcony with bed liner, 200-pound capacity, natural. The Best Choice Products raised garden bed is designed for gardeners who want a spacious and sturdy elevated planter. With a large growing area, this planter supports vegetables, herbs, flowers, and small plants with ease. Made from natural wood, the planter offers a classic garden appearance that blends well with outdoor settings. The solid construction supports up to 200 pounds, ensuring stability even when fully loaded with soil and plants. The elevated height reduces bending and strain during planting and maintenance. This makes gardening more comfortable for extended periods and supports better posture. A bed liner is included to protect the wood from moisture and soil contact while allowing proper drainage. This liner helps extend the lifespan of the planter and supports healthy root growth. The wide planting area allows for organized gardening, companion planting, or growing multiple crops at once. It is suitable for backyards, patios, balconies, and outdoor spaces of various sizes. Assembly is straightforward, and the sturdy frame ensures long-term use. The open bottom design allows excess water to drain freely, preventing root rot and waterlogging. This raised garden bed is ideal for gardeners seeking durability, capacity, and traditional wooden aesthetics for outdoor planting. Number 4. Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden Kit with Grow Light Smart Garden for Home Kitchen Windowsill. Easier than hydroponics growing system. Vegetable gardening starter, 3 basil pods included, white. The Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden Kit is designed for effortless indoor gardening. This smart garden system allows users to grow herbs and vegetables year-round with minimal effort and maintenance. The system includes an integrated grow light that automatically provides optimal lighting for plant growth. This ensures consistent results regardless of natural sunlight availability. The self-watering design delivers the right amount of water directly to plant roots. This reduces guesswork and helps prevent overwatering or underwatering. The kit includes 3 basil pods, making it easy to start growing immediately. The pods contain pre-seeded plant capsules designed to deliver reliable germination and healthy growth. This system is easier to use than traditional hydroponic setups, requiring no soil management or complex adjustments. It is suitable for kitchen countertops, windowsills, and small indoor spaces. The compact white design blends seamlessly into modern home decor. The system operates quietly and efficiently, making it ideal for everyday indoor use. This indoor garden kit is ideal for beginners and home cooks who want fresh herbs available year-round with minimal effort. Number 5. QCQ HDU 16-inch LX 7.6 WX7H Window Planter Box, 2-pack self-watering pots for indoor plants with drainage holes and saucer, outdoor flower pots. Home garden modern decor. The QCQ HDU Window Planter Box set is designed for both indoor and outdoor plant display. This 2-pack offers a compact and modern solution for growing flowers, herbs, and small plants. Each planter includes a self-watering system that helps maintain consistent moisture levels. This feature supports healthier plants and reduces daily watering needs. Drainage holes and an included saucer help manage excess water, preventing root rot while keeping surfaces clean. This design supports both indoor placement and outdoor window use. The slim rectangular shape fits well on windowsills, balconies, and narrow ledges. Its modern design complements contemporary home decor. Made from durable materials, these planters are designed to withstand daily use and outdoor exposure. The size is suitable for small plants and decorative arrangements. The lightweight design allows easy repositioning, making it simple to adjust plant placement based on sunlight needs. This planter box set is ideal for users who want a space-saving, stylish solution for growing plants indoors or outdoors with minimal maintenance. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best self-watering planter boxes. Each option offers unique benefits depending on your space, plants, and gardening style. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.